Hello guys, I'm a Halo Quest to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail ID in case someone who has hijacked, hacked or stolen your Gmail ID or stolen your device. Due to that, you are unable to access your Gmail ID particulars. How do you able to recover quickly and you can save your data. So we will see live here. This can be the possible even if you don't have alternative email, alternative phone number. However, you can recover by giving enough information or sufficient information to the Google. You can show that this account is really your. How it is. We don't have a particular this ID phone number. We don't have a particular ID password. Now it's essentially I couldn't sign in. If I go for try again, let's see what will happen here. This live recording, and of course similar steps you will have to execute step by step. If you miss one step you won't be able to recover, so watch carefully and upon of course execute. Now see here, before execution we will have to check it out and that what's asking here. We can go for enter the password and we can go for next, otherwise of course we can come with try another way. So we have another options, of course we have a phone number or we don't have a phone number. So if we don't have phone number we will have to pick this one. If we have phone number then we can get OTP on the basis of course we can. But someone who has changed the password, so already changed the recovery email and recovery of course phone number. So now here we will not click on a try again, because if we do multiple times then what will happen, so guys, here when another platform will be opened by Google, so there we will have to enter the separate difference one email and upon proof identity documents, and on the basis of Google will endorse to justify that this account is really your or not. If it is your genuinely, then of course you can get an opportunity to create the strong password after 48 hours. So we cannot wait much more time. So here what we will do is the alternative way, of course just we will click on here and of course we will come in a Play Store directly. We will have to download one browser, that is a Dolphin browser. It's a fast and the private browser. Of course we can quickly access to recover it. So let's accelerate to the recover. So now see 100% it has been installed. Now we will cut it from here and of course we have a 2-3 tricks that we will have to make it disable. So just we will have to hold this Chrome browser and upon help icon will be enabled. So now what we have to do here, guys, just we will come in a notification and we'll have to make it disable. So let's click on here disable, and upon of course we will back and tap on permission, guys. So let me back. Where is the Chrome browser? It has gone, guys, by mistakenly. So here once again we will come to this Google product and hold this G browser firstly. So similar strategy also we will have to apply on a Google Chrome, because this is also product. Now we will make it disable, and upon of course now here we will have to tap on a permissions to navigate the location. So make it disable the precise location. Then now if you click on a don't allow, so it will ask you that of course if you deny this permission the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. For time being I'm doing it, so just we will click on here. Now we will cut it from here once again. Let's see, now we will have to come on once again in the Chrome browser. Similar strategy we will have to execute here. So sorry, let's hold it and upon of course tap on a help icon, and upon of course notification we will have to make it blocks. So let's see, it's a block. Now we will back and we will come the permissions to of course click on free this, and apps permission we have done disable. Just we will go for here in a locations to of course we will come in a precise location of course. Now make it disable. Now we will click on here, same is demanding that is function as intended will be no longer, so no problem for time being. Now here we will have to back one more time and thereupon of course here in a defaults option we will have to come here and check it out. If this another browser is coming, then we will have to select and cut it from here. Now here what we have to do, just we will have to open this browser, and of course here we will have to enter. So here see, click here that using app, while this we will have to make it allow. So here if I click here allow, what will happen guys, here see it's asking agree and enter. So of course now here just we will have to write nothing, just let me here we will have to write in a this let's just on click here, and here what we will have to type here googleco.in guys. So see googleco.in first page, just we will have this one, and upon just we will have to wait guys, and here see here don't click, so this page will be open here, stay sign out, stay sign in. Now here what we have to do, here we will have to yes click on write your particular ID, and thereupon of course we will go for next options. What will happen here guys, after it will ask you the password. So now here yes we click, we don't have a phone number or we don't have a phone, so now it's essential that I did not yes or we did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is your. So in that case we have two options more, use a device when you are signing before. Second options we have also options that let's see here, see we have a second options that is especially answer as many questions that we can here. So what we will do guys here, if I once again try here, so see what will happen here is this is ID, once again it will give her actually third option or not, we will see. Now try another way, of course we will go for, and now see here yes we don't have, so just we will go for here, and now see here we will click on don't allow, don't have especially. Now we have a two option one, so we will have to pick two one, answer as many questions we can. So let's see, just we will cut it from here, and upon of course we will tap in a setting guys. Let's come in a setting, so where it is, of course here it is in setting. What we have to do here now, we will have to come in especially, that is a Google service, just to pick this ones, and upon of course here the help icon, in there we will have to pick this help icon, and upon of course here is a problem. We will have to come with this according to your that either you have forgot your password, your forgot your username, email address, everything, so then you can especially you use to sign in, or third one username password you can sign in, and fourth one you think someone else is using, hijacked, hacked, stolen, device lost. Due to that you are unable to access it, so why don't you pick up fourth one, that is especially yes you think. So let's see, now you think someone else is using, so in that condition what we have to do, see wait for opening a browser. Now see secure your account, of course we are trying to once again recover. So now just we will, here is options, review your account activities. Now here just we will pick this one, find out if your account has been hacked, and upon of course just we will see here one page, and that is account recovery page. Of course we will click on here. Now see here this yes Dolphin browser has been open here, and here we will have to enter this particular ID once again. So let me this one's, now here just we will have to click on here, see guys of course we will have to go for click on here next, and as we see here what will happen, let's see, and see guys here directly we have two options, one is a never, second is a continue, and here change the password and continue. So which one we will have to, just we will go for never. Now here what we will have to, we have also option here directly we can change the password. We can go for continue, and here is clear that of course now we are able to especially shine in now. So easily you can combine these tracks, and here if I click the change the password, what will happen here, guys? Let's see. Now, of course, now we have the strong opportunity to create the password, and of course, we can stay in there also by changing the password. Of course, we will come in a security center, and we can add the alternative email and alternative, of course, phone number, and deciding whenever we would like to change the password, we would like to do anything. Firstly, we would like to save some data, and the one, of course, we will go with. And I think so here it's a live recording, so we cannot create a password because this password will be in the public domain and quickly it can be recovered by you. So that's why, guys, this is all about in this video tutorial. It comes from the query, or if you found this is informative and acknowledgeable, then don't forget like, subscribe and share of this content. And if you missing some trick here to recover your particular email or any email ID, then of course just blindly raise the below the comment box your query spontaneously. If you are unable to, then of course the pleasure would be mine to assist you also. You can leave your email ID below the comments box, and of course we together address and fix the issues. So thank you very much indeed, guys, and this is the updated guide of course in 2025. It's of course proper functioning this textures go for with alternative to the recovery. So don't worry if your Gmail has been hijacked, hacked, or of course stolen by someone, password changed by someone. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.